2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Harley Davidson Iron 883. In the rich tapestry of motorcycles, the 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 stands out as an iconic choice for beginners, seamlessly blending classic design, genuine cruiser spirit, and accessible performance. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those entering the world of riding, the Iron 883 exemplifies Harley Davidson's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and the authentic experience of a cruiser. In 2024, the Iron 883 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, laid-back rides, and the joy of cruising the open road on two wheels. 1. Timeless cruiser design with heritage appeal. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 boasts a timeless cruiser design that pays homage to the brand's heritage while embodying a modern aesthetic. With its dark finishes, minimalist styling, and a classic peanut fuel tank, the Iron 883 exudes a rugged and authentic presence that resonates with riders looking for a cruiser with character. Harley Davidson's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Iron 883 not only provides an authentic riding experience but also makes a bold statement on the road. 2. Torque-heavy V-twin engine for laid-back cruising. At the heart of the Iron 883 lies a torque-heavy 883 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and a laid-back cruising experience. Harley Davidson's engine design emphasizes the signature V-twin character, making it an excellent choice for beginners seeking the distinctive rumble associated with cruisers. The Iron 883's engine provides enough torque for city cruising, highway journeys, and a relaxed ride, offering a dynamic platform for riders to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. 3. Low-slung frame for relaxed riding posture. Designed for a relaxed riding posture, the Harley Davidson Iron 883 features a low-slung frame that contributes to its easygoing and laid-back characteristics. The bike's low seat height and mid-mounted foot controls create a comfortable and confidence-inspiring setup, making it suitable for riders of varying sizes. The Iron 883's ergonomic design enhances its approachability, allowing beginners to comfortably cruise through city streets and highways with ease. 4. Minimalist features for a distinctive look. Crafted with minimalist features, the Iron 883 embraces a back-to-basics approach that adds to its distinctive look. From its solo seat to the exposed rear shocks, every detail of the Iron 883 contributes to its authentic cruiser charm. Harley Davidson's commitment to simplicity makes the Iron 883 not only a cruiser but also a pure and unadulterated expression of the riding lifestyle. 5. Integration of classic Harley Davidson features. The 2024 Iron 883 seamlessly integrates classic Harley Davidson features that enhance the overall riding experience. Iconic details such as the teardrop-shaped fuel tank, wire spoke wheels, and the unmistakable Harley Davidson badge add to the cruiser's classic appeal. The Iron 883 pays homage to the brand's legacy while offering a modern riding experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its timeless cruiser design, torque-heavy V-twin engine, relaxed riding posture, minimalist features, and integration of classic Harley Davidson elements make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether cruising city streets with style, embarking on leisurely rides, or simply reveling in the freedom of open roads, the Iron 883 encapsulates the spirit of Harley Davidson's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level cruiser excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, laid-back rides, and the joy of embracing the cruiser lifestyle, the 2024 Harley Davidson Iron 883 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.